As usual, I don't have any plans for today, so we just go with the flow. Selamat pagi, nama saya Baburau, umur saya 14. Alright, the video is uploading. I forgot to take a video of my lunch, so I ate vegetable soup and fried potato with fried vegetarian chicken. In YouTube, there's a YouTube channel called Not Just a Mom. I edit the videos on that channel, so they had sent me some videos and I have to edit it right now. The video editing is going well. I'm on call with my friends. Yo, what's up? Alright, I have edited half of the video, half of the cooking video. You know, one thing about editing video is that if you are editing, you cannot edit it continuously. You have to take a break. If I have completed half of my edits right now, when I come back later, I will see back the video, the edit that I have done, and at that time I will feel like, oh, okay, this is wrong or this is wrong, and that is the reason why I will take break when I edit. Alright, it's a bright sunny day today outside. By the way, I changed my upload schedule to 5 p.m. instead of 7 p.m. because my friend told that it would be nice if I uploaded earlier. Alright, this is just a sandwich maker. Let me show you how to do it. You take a butter and you will spread it all over the bread. Alright, now that you have spread your butter, you take your sugar and you will pour on the bread. Then you close it. See that? See that? That is what you call roti planta sugar. Where do you come from, man? They weren't here yesterday, but they are here today. PKP lah, semua balik rumah. Saya mau ambil vlog lah. Alright, on today's question time, Q&A time. I still haven't got any name for this session. The question is going to be how to be consistent. It was asked by a friend of mine, Ashok Ananda. He's also a YouTuber. Do check him out. Consistency. Okay. That's a good question, but you don't know whom to ask that question. Hey, why am I seeing a lot of dogs? Right, I'm going to stay here. Right, there are cars passing by. I'm just going to pretend that I'm on a video call or something. I have to be careful though. There's a big longkang right here. I'm not consistent, bro. Why are you asking me? I'm not consistent in studies. I'm not consistent in my YouTube channel. I'm not consistent in life. But the only thing that I can tell you is that to be consistent, you have to just do it. Alright, if you guys didn't know, I started to wake up at 3 a.m. every single day. I think it's about 1 month ago that I started this habit. Well, actually, even though I wake up at 3 a.m., I will do something productive, and then in the end, I will end up sleeping at 6 a.m. and then wake up at 9 a.m., something like that. I'm not successful every day, but I am trying. So the only thing that I can say is that you have to try doing it. To be honest, I haven't exercised for a long time, so I'm planning that we should go for a run tomorrow morning. Oh, uncle getting that six-pack, man. Uncle getting that six-pack. 2 months ago, I read a book, The Atomic Habit. It's about how can we human get an attachment to that habit that we want to do. It says that if you want a habit to stay with you, what you should do is that if you do that habit, you should do another thing on that particular habit. If you wake up at 5 a.m., plan out what you are going to do after waking up. For example, if you wake up at 5 a.m., you will go for a 1 hour jogging. It will make your brain think that you have some work to do as opposed to you don't have anything to do and you will continue to sleep. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon beside it.